The foundation of cat care. Part 1. Create a cat-friendly home before they arrive. Before you even bring your new cat home, you should prepare a safe, welcoming space that feels entirely theirs. Cats can be nervous in a new environment, so set up a quiet corner with a soft bed, a blanket that smells pleasant, and a few hiding spots like cardboard boxes or a small covered cat cave. Make sure this area is away from loud appliances and heavy foot traffic. Add a few toys and a scratching post nearby so they can start exploring without fear. The first few days are all about trust, so giving them a secure base camp helps them feel safe enough to slowly venture out into the rest of the home. Remember, for a cat, security comes before affection. Let them come to you when they're ready.